Hey guys, it's Nelly. So I know my background is dark because what had happened was I got this package last night and then I moved it, and then for the past 25 minutes me and my mom have been looking for it, and now it looks like it's gonna rain, but I don't care because it's still like good enough lighting that you guys can see my eyes and everything, so it doesn't matter. So if you don't know me, my name is Janelle, aka Nelly, and so today we're gonna be doing a review of the MAC PatrickStarrr Spring Collection. I got the Me So Fleek one. This is what the packaging looks like. It's like really faint white words on the back of it. And I got Me So Fleek because I have a lot of neutral colors. And then it turns out my mom likes the neutral color one, Me So Cute or something like that. And so, yeah. I know I'm late, but I don't care because I love PatrickStarrr. And I finally got one of his collections. And he's coming out with a summer collection. Hopefully I can get that too. So we got a summer job. So enough of me talking. We're going to go on with the video. So you get this fold that says in the back a little words of like spring into fierceness, all that signature, the look and everything. Items, like you said. And this is the palette. Isn't it beautiful? It's called Play With Me. He described this this part of the collection like, you're sexy and you just like play with me. And the one's like Take Me Home. Yep, this one. The blush duo is called Take Me Home. So it's like this. And I'm just thinking like, you know, I am the person who has a personality of the other collection, but I like bold colors, so we're just gonna go with this one. So I noticed that everyone's like in love with the blue color over here, and I do, but I feel like I'm gonna use that for my under eye. Don't know what I'm doing. This is what usually happens with me in videos. I don't know what I'm doing. Also, excuse this eyebrow. Okay. I got my eyebrows done when I got home with a new person, and yeah. So there's two mattes. These two are mattes, and this is a shimmer, and this is just a blue, which kind of looks like it's a shimmer, but it looks like a matte to me. So first things first, I'm gonna put in this shade over here with the It's My Ray Ray BH Cosmetics fluffy brush into my crease. I personally see it, and I see that my foundation is creasing. That's probably because a lot of stuff happened off camera. This is like a nice transition shade. Like, it's not like, as I can see, like something that's like too noticeable. Like, you see it, but not completely. Okay, so next up we're gonna go into this pink shade. Same brush, because I'm a girl who doesn't like to clean a lot of brushes. And as I'm thinking about this, I like that the background of my room is black. Because you don't get to see how messy it is. Because I cleaned up my room like 5 times, and yeah, I'm still in the process of finding stuff. And I'm going to put this in the crease also, but I'm going to focus it. I'm going to pat it. Ooh, that's bright. I'm going to pat it on first. Ooh, that's pretty. That's really, really, really pretty. And I'm just going to blend it out. Fun fact, I'm like a simple eye makeup girl who tries to learn how to do crazy things off camera, like when I'm not recording. So like, once I perfect those crazy things I've been doing lately, I will show you guys. And it blends out pretty nicely. I am not the queen of blending because I will be going to cosmetology school after my 4-year school, but yeah, this is cute. I have a question for like contact wears. My contacts usually came on like pretty easily in the beginning, and then next thing you know, lately they just been itching my eye. Which is why I haven't been wearing them lately, but I'm constantly in the mood of not putting on glasses, nor contacts, but I drive, so I have to put on my glasses, so. But then my contacts bother me. So like, tell me what's going on. So I know, or like recommend a brand that's good with, because I have stigmatism, so I need something that's good with stigmatism. This palette so far has no fallout, and it's pretty pigmented. So I don't see anything bad about it so far. I know everyone loves the blue. Oh wait, there's a little bit like kickback going on in here. You can see it. I can see it, but it's not a lot, so it's good. You just wipe it off and it's back to new. I know everybody wants to see the blue. Ooh, you can see your reflection like a water, like like a pool, like when you drop a drip in the pool and it just, you know, looks better. Yeah. I want to see if with a flat brush, with the packer brush, if I could like grab the shimmer and put it on my lid without like spraying it with like something like my MAC and my MAC Prep and Prime spray. To see how much you get off by itself. It's like kind of patchy when you put it on by itself, but it's kind of cute though, so I don't mind it. But if you do want it more like shimmery, I would put MAC Prep and Prime spray on it, just so you know. Clean brush, blending brush, and just go over those harsh lines. So I can say like the shimmer is like decent, but I don't know. So I'm gonna spray this brush, that's not the right brush, the packer brush with MAC Prep and Prime spray and come back at you. Oh, the lawn people are here and they're gonna see me in the window. That's great. This is what it looks like with the brush wet. Oh. Oh. It looks different. It looks very creamy and I probably sprayed on too much and put on too much. We're gonna fix it though, because it's wet. Be careful with it. Well, like, don't spray it with too much because as you can see, it looks kind of wrinkly and very creamy. So we'll be right back and like blend this out. Hello. So the sun's coming back out and I'm lower. So what had happened was the lawn people came and we hide from them because we pay them, but we don't want to talk to them. So I was hiding for like the past 15 minutes. So I'm thinking about using the blue as like, should I put this underneath my eye and smoke it out? Or should I use this as like a liner? And so I'm just going to grab this stamp brush, put the blue on it. What? I don't trust myself, so I am just going to bring it down. But I feel like this is going to get really muddy like real quick. This was like my under eye because I naturally have bags. So I don't know how to work with that personally, but I'm gonna figure it out one day. But I'm gonna do the same thing to this eye. So I stamped the blue into my waterline and just made that random line. I'm debating on blending it out. I'm not sure yet, but I probably should. I'm probably gonna blend it out with the crease color slightly, so it's not like too muddy. I hope this goes well. I really do. I got like this really fine pencil brush. I'm gonna go into that color and going to blend it, the blue a little bit. Just for like, because I personally like to have something going on underneath here, so. It's not terrible, it's not where I want it to be, but it's okay. So I'm just gonna put on mascara and everything real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're going to try on the blushes. So I got two blush brushes because we're gonna try one for each side. And then I'm going to mix them both at the end. So this is called Take Me Home. This is the blush duo with the mirror that I've been using this whole time. I'm going to take the upper corner, the upper half first. Powdery. And I'm going to put on my blush. I didn't put on highlight or anything because I personally like to put on highlight first, then blush. But I'm just going to focus everything on the blush tonight. Ooh, this is cute. Ooh, this is a really cute color. It's nice and soft. I like it. I like it a lot. This one. This brush. I need to buy more of those angled brushes because I just personally like it better for my blushes. Allergies. Oh god, they cut the grass. Allergies. It's getting to me. I'm just gonna... This one's cute also. Just like, well, of course it is darker, you could tell. But now I'm just gonna mix them. I'm just gonna mix them both now. Hopefully it's not like too much because I'm already putting a lot of blush over here and here. This is nice for us People of Color. That's nice. Ooh, that's a lot of blush. Hold on. So in the Huda Beauty Pink Sands palette, I'm just going to take my usual shade Azores and put it in my inner corner. Santorini. This white. And people of color, do not get scared of silver and white highlighters. I like them. So yeah, I personally like them. Ooh. Ooh, that's like a different dimension for effect. Yeah. And so just gonna lightly pack it over here. I'm back and I set in my face and put on my highlighter. So now we are going to do the lipstick and lip gloss. So I tried them on last night, because why not? And this is Hey Boy Hey. Hey Boy Hey. And it's a really beautiful fuchsia. And I own a few bright look colors, but I don't wear them often, so I don't really see myself wearing this quite often. Everybody at my summer job wears like a bright lipstick. I'm over here like, nope, fancy gloss all day. And for like color reference, my foundation shades are the following. In MAC, I am still, okay, in the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation with the SPF, I am NW50. For Fenty, I'm 440. For the Maybelline Matte and Poreless, I'm 360 Mocha. Same thing for the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation, I'm also Mocha. And in Lancome, which is the one I'm wearing today, I am the shade 540 Suede Warm. This is what the lipstick look like. Excuse my crusty lips. And then I'm gonna put on the lip gloss real quick. I don't know what the shade of this one is because I don't see it on the bottle, but this one's really pretty. Oh, yeah. Well, I put on one layer, but this is what it looks like. This is what the whole MAC PatrickStarrr collaboration looks like, and I'm very proud of him. I'm very happy he's doing another collection with them this summer, and I'm very proud of how far he has gone, and I would love to witness it even more and everything. So I love you, Patrick. This is a great collection, of course, and hopefully the PatrickStarrr powder comes back because I really want to try that. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll be doing a review for the Beauty Bakerie foundation next, and hope you guys have a lovely day, and I'll see you in my next one.